Do you want to earn money online? Well, who doesn't want to? These days, earning money online is the new trend, and with the increase in the number of influencers and creators, this trend is on the rise. So if you have been looking for ways to earn money online, in this video, I will be talking about a few ways that can help you earn some extra money online. But remember that every method needs some type of skill and knowledge, as you can't earn money without hard work and efforts. Also, I will also be talking about one bonus tip for you at the end of this video, so make sure you watch it till the end. And now let's get started. The first method to earn some extra bucks if you are a college going student or have recently completed your studies is by selling your notes. If you are wondering how is that possible, there is a website called nexusnotes.com where you can earn by uploading your notes. The process is easy. Just go to their website, click on upload notes, create a free account and upload your notes and get paid whenever any student access your notes. You can upload any of your study guides, course summaries, lecture notes or any other professional content that you have. So if you have made some good notes, this is the time to earn from your hard work. You must be familiar with the term blogging, but what exactly it is and how you can earn money through blogging. To keep it simple, if you have good writing skills, you can become a blogger and you can start earning from the internet. WordPress has made it easy for everyone to own a blog and start earning money. You just need to publish good quality blogs and articles on a website, activate Google AdSense and start earning from ads. But this will also require some good knowledge of SEO, and for that, I have already made a few videos, so you can check that out as well. In the last few years, the trend of YouTube videos has increased to a large extent. The number of YouTube channels have increased, the number of Instagram influencers have increased, and so the number of videos on the internet have increased. You may find a lot of videos on the internet running these days, but one thing that is common to all those videos is the editing. These days you can also find a lot of video editors in the market, but that doesn't mean you can't be one. If you have the editing skill in you and can edit videos that stand out among others, along with eye-catchy thumbnails, you can also start earning from video editing. Moreover, you can do it as a freelancer. You can apply to YouTube channels and influencers that are looking for video editors and send them your work and let the money flow. If you are wondering why did you study so much when you have to watch this video to know how to earn money, well, you did not do anything wrong, as now I will tell you how you can use your knowledge to earn money. You might be familiar with the platform Check. If not, it is a very good platform for not only students but also for those who want to become subject matter expert. If you will go to their website, the first option that you will get to earn is by uploading your notes, similar to the first idea I discussed with you. You can upload any of your lecture notes, practice exams, practice quizzes, study guides, lab assignments and case studies in different file formats. And if they get accepted, you can earn up to $4,600 for material per course. It is something that is given on their website. While the next option they have for you is to join them as a subject matter expert, just scroll to the bottom, click on jobs and then click on view jobs, and here you can use the filters to find a job for yourself. Choose the location you want to join full-time or part-time, the field you are a part of, and you can even search by putting the job title here. Or you can simply scroll down and see 212 jobs found. You can go through them, check the location and click on the one that you want to apply for. Here you will get the detailed description of the job requirement, including the qualification required, responsibilities, job timings and more. And if everything looks fine to you, you can click on apply. So these were my 4 options for you to start earning money online, and now my bonus tip for you is to earn money through affiliate marketing. If you are not aware of what affiliate marketing is, it is a promotion technique by big companies. You can join any affiliate program and earn money by promoting their products. So these were some of the ways that you can use to earn money online, and if you found any of the options helpful for you, do let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want any detailed video on any of the options I discussed in today's video, you can also mention that in the comment section down below. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, as more informative and useful videos are coming up for you. With that, I would like to wrap up this video and we'll be back soon with a new one.